Hello, the subject is marketing management and the topic is types of CRM. The fourth important and major type of CRM is collaborative CRM. This type of CRM focuses on the collaboration of all the departments present in a company, and it focuses on how better the interaction can be made with the customer, and that the customer is getting through this collaboration a better consistent communication and information or service through the companies or the departments concerned. Let us see the meaning of collaborative CRM. Collaborative CRM deals with synchronization and integration of customer interaction and channels of communication like phone, email, fax, web, etc., with the intent of referencing the customers in a consistent and systematic way. The collaborative CRM synchronizes and integrates the customer interaction and the channel of communications through various tools, thus being available with the customers as well as the company. The idea of collaborative CRM is not only enhancing the interactions but also to increase and improve customer retention and their liberty. The whole and sole purpose of customer interactions is to help them receive what they want, help them get what they want, help them get what they need in the way they need is what we refer here. The collaborative CRM offers integration of all the sources and integration process so that these get benefited and the customer should feel satisfied with the kind of service that he has received, and he should be with the company for a longer time. That is the ultimate goal of collaborative CRM. He should come to a decision that this is the best organization, that my needs and services are met as the way I need, and that feel has to be created by the collaborative CRM team. Collaborative CRM entangles various departments of organization like sales, marketing, finance, service, and shares the customer information among them to highlight better understanding of customers. For example, the information of preferred products could be shared with marketing department so that analysis can be performed in this aspect to provide preferred products to customers. The information regarding varied cost or price of a particular product in the market defined by customers can be delivered to the finance departments so that strategies could be created to match the product cost with similar products in market, and after analysis bring an affordable and efficient product in the market. The CRM gets information from the market through various tools, thus being said, and through that study, through that information, the CRM will sit and design a product that would perfectly match what is the preference of products of that particular customer or that customer group, so that the finance department would strategize on its expenditure so that it spends less and gives more value for the product that has been sought or required by the customer. The information regarding a specific service which is not installed in the company's environment and intimated by the customer can be transferred to the service department to improve or install that particular service in-house. Always, it is on the basis of the requirement of CRM that collaboration is brought in this type of a system. The customer sees what he needs and what he wants, and in that way, the customer's needs are studied, and the collaborative CRM focuses here and checks whether that particular system or that specific service which is thus sought by the customer is present in the company or not. They can either inform that this particular system is not available to that particular service, or the department can decide to install such particular service which is required by the customer. All this is done efficiently within the range of channels so that the process automates the needs and minimal time is required for fulfilling these needs. All the reason for automating the functions of the marketing or the process of the transaction is to minimize the needs and minimize the time required for fulfilling those needs so that customers do not waste their time in waiting to receive the products or services thus they seek or the kind of communication that they require through the departments or the organization as a whole. That being the meaning of collaborative CRM. Collaborative CRM can be broadly identified by two aspects. One is interaction management and the second is channel management. How interaction takes place in the organization with the customers and what are the channels that are being used and how these two are in the process of getting better needs of the customers and fulfilling those needs at minimal time and minimal cost of investment with the collaboration of the entire department of the company. Let us see one by one how this interaction management and channel management are identified to collaborate CRM. Interaction management fully focuses on the way and the tools used for interaction. This management process deals with designing the communication or interaction channel process. The interaction management is going to select how the communication is going to be done and through what source or through what tools or through what channel the process within the organization which is specific to customer interaction, and finally enhancing the extent of communication between both the parties. The communication should be apt, the communication channel should be apt, and the interaction should be thus acceptable by the customer, and it should be feasible for the organization as well. The communication channel depends on the customer's preference, not on the organization's choice. The reason being on how they require the interaction to be dealt with is based on the customer's preference. Some customers prefer to be contacted via phone and email because of more comfortability or non-availability of manual interaction due to no time or unavailability of resources. Some of them prefer to have live online meetings or web meetings to reduce the travel time and lack of time, or maybe they prefer a more clarified real time environment by sitting at a desk and transacting. It is all the preference of the customers and their affordability and their availability. It is how they want the communication channel to interact with them. Based on that, the company has to design, the company has to decide, and the company has to deliver as per the need and wants of the customer. Some customers might have the technology and the knowledge to use the technology to communicate and interact with the customers of varied sort and the company's members. But certain customers who do not have confidence in using this communication channel, they prefer to have face-to-face interaction. Hence, they want to have live meetings online, and if they have time they might visit the company, but if they do not have time of leisure, then they might want online live meetings. And some are okay with the kind of communication that is possible through phone or email. But the market is consisting of varied types of customers, and they have varied way of communication and interaction need, and thus the company has to organize themselves to match the needs of the interaction and communication channel as far as preferred by the consumers. Some of the customers insist for agent-conducted services, which are often face-to-face interaction, as they believe that this way is more efficient and conclusive. They feel that they have got something in reality. Depending on these channels of interaction, it is very important for an organization to fulfill these needs of customers and thus gather information from them. This information is gathered so that those information can be implemented into the CRM before interacting. If it is used before interacting, then for sure this interaction and this communication channel would really enhance the interaction power, delivering the best possibility for both the customer as well as the organization all put together. Hence, this being the interaction management and how it has to function, let's see how the channel management helps to collaborate CRM. After analyzing and implementing the interaction medium, it's important to enhance the power of channels through which the customers are interacted. Using the latest technological aspects for improving channel interactions could help to contact customers in an efficient way, and the various tools and technological aspects or equipments that are used in the organization to interact and communicate with the customers are fully based on the availability of those technological aspects and those techniques which is affordable by the customer is the point of concern in channel management, and these things are used to gather information from them to help organization to understand the customers. all the data that is being collected from the customers are analyzed so that the organization is able to understand in clarity what is the exact need of the customers and what is that the customers have in them, so that the organization can contact or inform, communicate or interact in a better way with these kind of customers. Hence, it is important for an organization to clearly arrange the channel responsibilities and duties so that the ends are met with success. So, this being the aspects with channel management, will move on what is the use or advantage of having collaborative CRM in a company. With the aspects that we have studied with interactive and communicative tools and that channel management, interaction management and channel management play a major role in collaborative CRM, and thus that gives better understanding for having collaborative CRM in a company. The advantages of collaborative CRM are as follows. First, it enables valued customer interaction across the channels. There are various channels available in the company, and all those channels have varied informative base for the customer, and it gives different kind of information which is sought by the company, and it is going to give information all related to the customers and his needs. It enables the company to know what are the tools available and what way the customers can be interacted through usage of various tools of communication. This entangles web or online collaboration to cut down service cost of customers. If customers are to come to the office to receive the required service, then they had to be paying a lot of money or fees. But this collaborative CRM brings in web or online collaboration, which enhances and reduces the cost of operation, thus reducing the service cost of customers, which customers feel elated. The collaborative CRM integrates customer interaction with various tools like call centers to enable multi-channel interaction with customers and helps them understand the overall process well. And then the collaborative CRM describes a view of integrated customers' details during interaction to serve them in a better way. Thus, collaborative CRM brings in all the tools necessary and the channel of communication that would help, that would enhance, that would really benefit the customer and the organization in the process of interaction, in the process of identifying their needs, in the process of information, in the process of communication, and in the process of fulfilling all that is needed by the consumer in the way they prefer, in the way they want, and in the way they need. Thus, all the queries of customers are satiated in the way, in the tool, in the channel, the way that is preferred by the individual customers through collaborative CRM, entangling all the available resources and all the departments within the organization. Thus, collaborative CRM Thanks for listening.